Thank you for purchasing Root Rescue Transplanter, Canada's best plant starter. Root Rescue Transplanter is an all-natural certified organic root treatment to help your plants perform their best. Transplanter comes in 3 sizes. To figure out how much you need, consult the chart on the box. Transplanter's all-natural formulation is made to be safe for children and pets, as well as all wildlife and pollinators. Before planting, be sure to consult a local nursery professional on how to improve the soil in your yard. Once the bed is prepped, carefully place your plants and firm the soil around the roots. Mulch is a great addition to the garden. It helps retain moisture and keep down weeds. Mixing Transplanter is simple. Use the included measuring spoon and mix 5 milliliters of powder in a 2-gallon watering can. For larger plants, use the 15 milliliter side of the spoon and mix it in a 5-gallon pail. Once mixed, apply the solution around the roots of your plants and allow it to soak in. Root Rescue is certified organic and recommended for growing all food crops. After planting day, thoroughly water your plants on a recommended schedule. For best results, reapply Transplanter in 4 to 6 weeks. Thanks again for purchasing Root Rescue Transplanter. For more information, visit rootrescue.com.